How to buy BONK on bitget in PC. Now make sure first of all to log into your bitget account on your PC. Now for that we have two options. Now I will choose the first option is buying by your country currency. Now head over to buy crypto, click on quick buy. Now for a while select this option called buy not sell, and now select your currency, your country currency. Now from here select the BONK that we want to buy. So as you can see, we don't have here, or we don't have the coin here, BONK. Now what we will do is by going to here and search for convert. As you can see, select convert. Now, as you can see here, select the crypto that you have the balance on your bitget account. Now for this, I will select USDT. Now from here, we will search for BONK. As you can see, this is our crypto. So for that, ensure how much of USDT that you want to buy. Now click on preview. And now, as you can see, this is how much of BONK you will receive, and this is what one BONK equal by USDT, and this is by spot account. And now as you can see, you can buy BONK on your bitget account by this method, and as you can see, with zero fees. So this is how to buy BONK on bitget in PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.